What's up, guys? How we doing this morning? We are back. Today, we are going to import face-off up in New Hampshire. This is my first time going to import face-off, and we're going with Jacob, same person we were with the other day in the vlog. And yeah, it's about to be a good time. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Stop!
We've arrived at Jacob's house early, and where's Jacob? You want to tell me where Jacob is?
Not here.
Sleeping. This man's sleeping. Called him 6 times. He finally answered me. So now we're waiting. Now we're waiting for him to get out here. But this guy. Next time I'm gonna tell him I'll be here at 6:30. So he'll be here at 7. But this guy, unbelievable. Damn, bro, he did that at 8-3. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Joshua LaPointe, and today we're at fucking Import Face Off. What we're looking at right now is a bunch of Mad heads over here. God damn!
I can feel that in my chest.
be back. What? Where you? Oh, you're coming back?
I almost left without my keys.
Oh yeah, you need those.
That would have been. I just realized. I was like, did I leave with those? Whoops.
This guy.
We're good.
Yeah. All right.
Sick. Oh, and my Gatorade.
Say goodbye. Your Gator. This guy's dropping everything.
Later, y'all.
Later, man.
I'll see you
In the next video.
in the next video, guys.
Yeah. Peace out. All right, guys. That's a wrap. Forgot to record an actual outro. I got that outro with Jacob, but I want to do an actual outro here. Jacob got a steering wheel and like new hub and everything. I only picked up a shift boot, and I got myself a Tree Frog air freshener. Smells like white peach. Smells really good. So that's going in, but I'm gonna probably do like a little video on this maybe when I redo like my interior and stuff like that. I have my trunk done, whatever. I did it myself, rewrapped it. I have videos that I took of that, but I never made a YouTube video about it. Maybe I'll just kind of throw some clips in here and there, rather than making like a full video. But eventually gonna do some more interior stuff. But like I said, I'll get a video of me putting this on, and I have a shift knob that the thread insert broke, so I might glue that in and then use that shift knob. So I don't know, I'll put that in the next video or something. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go follow Jacob. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I think that's it. Peace out.